Diphthongs. Sometimes two vowels, even with consonants, blend together to form a totally new single sound called a diphthong. Note, sometimes the letters W and Y act like vowels. Notice also that OI and OY both say oi. OU and OW both say ow. AU and AW both say aw. They all sound alike, and that OO can make two different sounds, as in food, oo, and book, OI as in coin, EA as in head, OO as in goose, OU as in mouth, AU as in auto, IE as in chief, EIGH as in eight, OY as in boy, OO as in book, OW as in clown, IGH as in right, AW as in seesaw, EW as in stew.